Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix contact names not showing in WhatsApp on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone or iPad and your WhatsApp contacts name are not showing, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings, go for apps, go for WhatsApp app from here, and you'll get the option of contacts. You just have to select full access from here. If you have selected none or limited access, so you have to select the full access option from here and then select allow full access. It will allow WhatsApp to use your contacts, or it will almost fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, so you have to try to update your WhatsApp. Open App Store, and here you have to simply search for WhatsApp. Go for WhatsApp app, and here you have to make sure that you are on the latest version on your WhatsApp. If you have any update, try to update your WhatsApp app, and after that it will fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, so it might be that there will be any bug into your WhatsApp app. So open your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, select WhatsApp from here, try to offload your app, try tab on offload app again. It will offload it WhatsApp app from your phone. Now you have to tap on reinstall, and once you have reinstalled, it will fix all the bugs into your WhatsApp app, and after that you will find contact's name in your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.